Hello friends, in this series of hair bites from Anagen Hair Transplant Clinics for hair loss, hair growth, and this we are going to discuss today to give you more knowledge, make you more mature, more knowledgeable to get a best hair transplant results. So my dear friends, there's a unique technique called instant FUE technique. What is that? Most of the places, unfortunately, the older ones, what they do is they take out the grafts first, keep it in a solution, then make the slits and put the graft. The problem is, if I cut my finger, I have to fix it fast. If a fish goes out of the water, it should be back to water. If you take out a plant and put in your garden, the faster it is back to the pot, better it is. Similarly, the temperature here is 37 degrees centigrade. Outside is chilled. So we want these grafts to immediately go back to the slits where they belong so that the blood supply gradually comes. They get the right environment, which they are already here. So it's called instant FUE or simultaneous FUE or dolphin FUE or quick FUE. Okay, that means it started from India. Okay, so this is called reduce out of scalp time of hair grafts for better graft survival and better graft results. We have registered as that instant FUE. Okay, reducing outside because see, once you take out the graft, the blood supply is gone. How will it survive? From aerobic respiration, it will go to anaerobic respiration. Lactic acidosis will form. Free radical injury will happen. Sodium potassium channel will go haywire. So, like cutting the finger, it's about to die. So, why should I keep it outside? Why can't I put it back faster? Little more effort, little big team. But the results are you may not have shedding or less shedding. Growth could be faster. Within lesser months, you can have better growth. Okay, if you're getting married or you have a special occasion, a lot of patients we have seen no shedding, less shedding, maybe later shedding. Earlier it was 12 to 18 months for hair to grow. Now 6 8 months most of the hairs grow. Some people even don't have shedding. In 4 5 months the whole hair grow. So not guaranteed for everybody, but this has made hair growth faster and less shock to the hair and better hair survival. So this short gyan was a latest development in the field of hair restoration called instant FUE, premium, advanced, but with amazing results and better graft survival.